Here, actually, yeah, hold on. I have to put up my speak. Oh, you are? Okay. Hello, everyone. Jay Scotty here, back with another video. Oh, shoot. I haven't even realized. Yeah. Hey. Also, we're on Steam, and we are going to be playing some Payday 2. I haven't made any. I didn't make a video on this yet, so we're just going to be playing around, and let's get started. I pretty suck. I actually sometimes suck at Payday 2, but I'm a boss at it. So, hello everyone in the server. Wait, oh shoot. They can't hear me because also, yeah, there were like some buttons I'm gonna tell you, and it's like Roblox, but a lot of different buttons in it. It's the same control if you want to move in Roblox. It's WASD.
Yeah. And it's your first video, right?
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. It's my first Steam video, and Oh wait, I forgot. I'm playing with Crimson, and yeah. But you guys can call him Crim and say, "Hey, what's up, Crim?" Or if you're watching my video, then you can say, "Hey, what's up, Jay?" Or something like that. If you know me. But I'm gonna be ready right now. And Crim is still loading in. We're joining. So I'm gonna be. No, right now I'm not ready. Yeah. Why are you still joining? What takes forever? How are we doing this? Sneaky beaky. Sneaky beaky. Or guns blazing. Just so you know, I'm chains and on levels. Wait, what level are you? 20 or?
I'm a level 47 Agent Wick.
Right now, it actually says 75 at the end. Wait, we got 3 people that says 75. Anyways, let's get ready. Let's ready up.
Yeah.
Oh, snap! I forgot it. This one's hard. Ooh, snap! Snapple.
Never played Payday 2 for a while.
Yeah, I haven't played in a while, so I have to start remembering.
Maybe a little bit rusty.
Yeah, kinda. For me. Oh, I forgot. Hold, enter to skip. Okay, friends, not much time. Oh shoot! I threw a grenade. Ah shoot!
So stuck in 4 lights.
Dude, why am I running so slow?
Should inspect it.
Oh, that's the floor. Hey! 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 I got the flashlight, guys.
The left light. To left.
Press Q to turn on lights.
Oh crap. Oh crap, I accidentally went to safe room.
Dude, where are you? Dude, stop staying down there. You're gonna die.
Are you still in the server?
Yeah. Guys, someone's gonna die. Someone's gonna die. I placed the saw. Dude, I placed the saw. Dude! Electro! You're gonna die! Dude, you're gonna die!
Something.
He kicked you out?
Yeah.
Guys, I think his game crashed or something. Cause, he's just staying there for no reason.
Dude, it thinks you're not on the server.
I am. That's weird. Alright guys, so his says I'm not in the server, but you can clearly see I'm in the server. Oh dude, you disconnected.
Oh.
Oh dude, oh shoot, oh shoot. Ammunition! Ammunition! Kill! Kill! Die! Die! I have a flashlight. Oh shoot. Money! 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 Ow! Shoot! 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 Oh god. I shot my team for no reason. Ah, shoot! Me dead! Me dead!
My game crashed, mate.
Oh shoot! Well, whose game crashed?
I think mine or my game froze.
Probably. But for some reason, he's not in my server right now. Ah, dude, I'm being stunned. I've been stunned. Die, police! Die! Ah, shoot, I'm dead.
Oh crap, my game froze!
For him, his game froze. For me, his game crashed. Oh, you swing from there. Good to know that. Oh, shoot! A lot of people are coming in! Ah, shoot! Shoot, shoot. I'm in custody, help! How are you shooting through that wall? And I'm dead. 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 Okay, no, I'm not. I'm not. Okay, yep, I'm dead. I'm custody in 9 seconds.
The game crashed, mate.
Wait, dude, are you? Oh, dude, you're. Ah! God!
The game crashed, mate.
His game crashed, and oh, shoot. I'm all dead. Why? Why? Shoot. Alright, so I'm gonna actually, if you guys are gonna notice, I'm gonna be cutting his mic out, for a sec, because he, crashed, but yeah. So we really can't be in the same server, so we can't both do, and I'm fine, okay. I need a lot of ammo. I need to patch myself up, because I'm not fully alive.
I joined it back in, mate.
Oh yay! Alright. His game just froze for a sec, but I guess he's still gonna be back, so yeah.
Yeah, and he'll probably link to my channel in the description. I hope.
Hopefully. But I don't think. Oh shoot! I see a Cam. A Cam. Get knocked out, Cam.
My game's loading in.
Yay! We're not gonna have to have Wait, we are computer. Yay! You're in. You're joining. By the way, you loaded in while I was starting reloading. So yeah, that was funny. Hey dude, you landed right into me.
I'm in. I'm in.
Ah! Do you like my mask though? Oh shoot! Please, right behind me.
Watch out for the police, Mike.
Oh shoot. If you just heard that in the background, oh! My hand just slipped off of my mouse. Ow! Get killed!
Ah, shit.
Wait, someone's in. And are you dead? Yep. Okay. Let me take off my glove. Oh shoot, mate. Me dead.
Oh crap, Mike.
You dead?
I got you covered.
Got me covered, but I just took out a health pack.
The cops are everywhere.
Just so you know, I can just slap the cops with money. It's funny, it's hectic. Slap! What the? Kill that cop!
I just taunted it, Mike. I just taunted him by accident.
Oh, dude! Oh, shoot!
Oh crap! I'm jumping down.
Shoot! Armored cops. Oh, someone's in custody. Wait, you're gonna be in custody?
Subscribe to this YouTube channel. FE4 Productions. But you can call me Crimson. He'll link down my YouTube channel down below YouTube.
I'm actually gonna shout out Payday 2 because
Shout out to my YouTube channel.
also I'm shouting out Crimson 2, and you can go check out his channel. It's just gonna be a lot harder to find his channel because there's a lot of Crimsons out there.
Yeah, so you would have to link me down in the description below.
Even though I forgot, I don't think if I have him still subscribed, but I can see.
Help me!
Oh, dude, you're in custody. Dude, are you expecting me? Dude, I'm the only one.
Yeah, Mike.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Not. Okay. No.
Oh my god. You failed.
Ooh.
Progress 0.
We had no progress? How? Dude, we should do the safe house.
This could have got better friends.
Yeah, dude, let's leave this. I guess we can. The retry. I guess we can retry. I guess. Alright, but yeah, I think my recording has stopped.